Earth, according to what we're told, is spinning at roughly 1,000 miles per hour at the equator. That's faster than a bullet train, faster than the speed of sound. So here's the question. If the ground is supposedly moving that fast, how in the world do parachutes land precisely on their targets? Think about it. If you jumped out of a plane on a giant spinning ball, wouldn't you drift wildly off course? Shouldn't the Earth rotate out from under you while you're just dangling beneath a parachute? Doesn't logic say you'd be carried miles away? Yet in every training video, every documentary, and every wartime story, the opposite happens. Soldiers land almost exactly where intended. Not miles away. Not spun off course. Spot on. Almost like the ground beneath them never moved at all. Isn't that strange? The official explanation says something about conservation of momentum. That the atmosphere and everything on it are moving together with the Earth. Like if you toss a ball inside a moving train, it doesn't fly to the back, right? But here's the twist. A train is sealed. A parachutist is falling through open air. A train moves at 60 miles per hour. The Earth is allegedly moving at 1,000. Doesn't the comparison feel a little off? And then there's the wind factor. We're told wind can knock parachutes slightly off target, sure. But even with wind corrections, pilots and jump masters hit their drop zones with scary accuracy. If the Earth is spinning that fast beneath them, wouldn't that be the biggest variable of all? This is where it gets cinematic. Imagine being one of those paratroopers drifting down in the dark. You're not just fighting nerves. You're supposedly fighting the rotation of an entire planet. Yet every account, every training manual, every modern skydiver video, none of them mention struggling against Earth's spin. It's just not there. So what does that mean? Does the atmosphere magically spin perfectly in sync with the Earth, keeping parachutists locked in place like characters in a video game, or is there another explanation nobody really talks about? The change happens when you realize, honestly, it's not just parachutes. Bullets, rockets, even hot air balloons seem to ignore this massive spin. They land, they track, they fly straight, as if the ground beneath them isn't racing eastward at breakneck speed. And that's where the tension explodes. Because once you notice this, you can't unsee it. The result? You're left with one burning question. If Earth is truly spinning at 1,000 miles per hour, why does every parachute drop in history land exactly where planned? Almost like the ground below never moved at all.